back to my channel. So today I will be discussing about English proverbs, which is a very important part of English language. So let's start with what are proverbs. Proverbs are short, clever sentences that usually gives life advice. So in this video I will be discussing about 30 most commonly used proverbs along with their meaning. So let's start. A rolling stone gathers no moss. When a person always keep on moving or changing jobs, rarely prospers. People who live in glass houses should not throw stones at others. Those who have fault in themselves should not point out fault in others. The early bird catches the worm. One who arrives first has the best chance for success. The grass is always greener on the other side of the hill. It expresses the idea that other people's situation always seem better than one's own. Great minds think alike. It means when two people share the same opinion or choice. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. It means that different people have different opinion about what is beautiful. A closed mouth catches no flies. It's best not to talk too much. A drowning man will catch at a straw. It means in a desperate or a difficult situation, a man will try to do anything to save himself. A jack of all trades is master of none. Someone who is able to do many things but is not an expert in any. A man is known by the company he keeps. A man's character is generally judged by the kind of company he lives with. All is well that ends well, when a difficult situation ends with a good result. As you sow, so shall you reap. Good or bad things will happen to you the way you behave. A penny saved is a penny gained. It's better to save money. Actions speak louder than words. What you say is more important than what you do. Beggars can't be choosers. When there is no choice, you have to be satisfied with whatever you get. Birds of a feather flock together. People who have similar interests or choices like to be with each other. Don't bite in the hand that feeds you. To act badly towards the person who is helping or has helped you. Don't put too many irons in the fire. Engaging in too many activities at the same time. Fortune favors the bold. People who face problems with determination and courage achieve huge success. Good things come to those who wait. If you are patient, then you will surely achieve your goal. There is no time like the present. It's better to do something now and not to wait for tomorrow. The squeaky wheel gets the grease. In order to grab attention, be louder and don't be quiet. Two wrongs don't make a right. Not to do something bad to someone just because they did something bad to you. Where there is smoke, there is fire. If something bad is said about someone, then there is probably a good reason for it. The pen is mightier than the sword. It means that the power of writing is more stronger than the power of hatred, violence, war and conflict. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. When someone or something goes away from us, we realize how much we love or miss them. Adversity and loss make a man wise. We gain wisdom in bad times faster than in good times. Always put your best foot forward to try as hard as you can. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Eating nutritious fruits can keep us healthy. A picture is worth 1,000 words. A single picture can express something more clearly than a large amount of words. Thank you for watching, guys.